As a member of the South Carolina General Assembly, it's been extremely valuable attending the telehealth conference. First of all, able to meet and have engagement and meaningful conversations with many of the stakeholders who are providing these services throughout the state, some of the successes that they've been able to share, access and a health care option for all of our residents throughout the entire state of South Carolina. So the relationships that you're building are priceless. The educational elements that are able to come out through all of the breakout sessions and the keynote speakers, it's just invaluable to help prepare and educate me as a legislator to make sure that the legislation that we're passing and debating on is meaningful and actually getting the work done that needs to get done for our citizens throughout the state.
I am coming to this conference from the South Carolina Telehealth Alliance and the MUSC Center for Telehealth. I am the Digital Navigation Program Manager, and some things that I have appreciated about this conference is that it's been really nice for me as a new South Carolina resident to learn a little bit more about what's going on outside of the MUSC enterprise and outside of Charleston, where I live and work. And then another thing that I've really enjoyed is that the vendors are set up right outside of all the conference rooms and the breakout rooms, so that you get a lot of exposure to all the different vendors and you don't have to go to a separate area to see that.
This is probably one of my favorite events to come to. We mark it on our calendar every year or make sure we're here. I think that this conference does a very good job, whether you're a beginner who's maybe coming to learn more about virtual care or telehealth, telemedicine, or whether you're doing virtual care, you have been doing it for a number of years. This conference does a really good job of kind of feeding into wherever you are in that telehealth journey. So whether it's Telehealth 101 and we're covering the basics, or whether you're in the telehealth field, you've done telemedicine or telehealth for a number of years, maybe you're wanting to expand your program. Palmetto Care Connections does a real good job of just making sure that they're providing something for everyone.
It's been meaningful and heartwarming to get the feedback directly from key stakeholders within the telehealth industry and profession from the legislation that we were able to pass last legislative session, and understand from them where we go from there, how we can continue to build upon those successes as we move forward as a state to take our state to new heights as it relates to delivering telehealth services to our constituents.